This video demonstrates the network configuration for SVM. If there is a network administrator, ask for below 4 network parameters. Then you can skip the rest of the video and proceed to the next video. Otherwise, follow the video to obtain these parameters. Right-click the Start. Select the command prompt. Type the command as on screen and press the Enter key. This will return all network parameters. If you are using wireless network, please find the wireless section. If you are on a wired network, go to the Ethernet section. Regardless which one you are using, the following steps are the same. Ensure the DHCP is enabled. Note down the network mask. Note down the gateway. Note down the DNS server. Now you have below parameters. The last parameter to obtain is a fixed IP address. Open the browser, type the gateway and press Enter. The login page may vary depending on router brand and type. Log in with username and password, which you may find in router manual or the stickers. Go to DHCP settings. Find the range start. There are other possible names for range start, like starting IP address, etc. If the last segment is less than 20, change it to 20. The desired fixed IP address will be the first 3 segments plus .2. Save the setting. Close the window and go back to command prompt. Type PIN plus the IP address. If it says destination host unreachable, then this is the IP address we can use for SVM. Otherwise, it means the IP address has already been taken. You should change the last segment and use PIN to test again until find an available IP. Note down the fixed IP. Now you have obtained the 4 necessary network parameters. This is the end of the session. You can proceed to the next video. Well done.